This 2027 Axiom Imperium I2900 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Axiom is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 2, external shower, TV, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, microwave, refrigerator, water heater. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Axiom Imperium I2900 is 15,990 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.